Welcome to another edition of Trader Station 911. I'm your host, Eugene. Anyway, I don't remember on the last video if I told you about the highlighting the time in sales when the bid and the ask meet together. Okay, but I'm gonna go run through it real quick again. Go to your left, right. You see the little button with the pointer pointing down next to the question mark. You hit that. You hit, I believe it's display. Yes, display. And you see right over here where it says trades between bid and the ask. Trades between the bid and the ask. You're going to go ahead and hit that. And then you hit swatches. And then you'll just hit white a bunch of times. Just hit white a bunch of times. And then press OK. OK. And now, let's see if we have any right here. Okay, these whites indicate that the bid and the ask were met in the middle. Okay, so they at 1804. It says 1805 here, 1805 here, but they met in the middle right there. Let's see. Again, up here, they did the same thing again at around 1804. Okay, they met in the middle. That's one. All right. Two, I forgot about the watch list. Let me pull out the watch list again. Pull out a new watch list. Okay. We're going to come in here in this watch list. Let me blow it up a little bit more. All right. I'm going to blow it up if I can. Sorry, it was football day, and I was watching a football game. Still am. But let's get this done. Okay, we are going to go to columns. All right, and we are going to remove everything. Ah, shit. Remove it all. Okay? Now, the only things you're going to need are percent change at open. Percent change at open. Add it. You're going to want the ask. Add it. Scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down. You're going to want the news. Add it. Okay. You want the previous close. Add it. You want to know the sector. Add it. And you want to know the total volume. Add it. And I believe that's it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, that's it. And you're going to hit OK. All right. So let's go ahead and get the QQQ off of here real quick. And put in BTSC. BTSC. Enter. Okay. Now, how I like to do it is I like to put the news first. Okay. You can shorten the symbol. You can shorten the news. All right. You want the sector to be after news. You want the volume to be last. And the percent is fine where it's at. Well, you can go the previous close. How I have it. Previous close. And there you have it. It's set up for your watch list. Okay. So you can move this down. Adjust all these. Ask. I should have done it before. Okay, previous close, the sector, news. I shouldn't have done it while it was long. So now you can do it right here. News, sector. Okay, previous close, and you want to know the percent change. Let's see if we can find one with a AITX. Let's say AITX. Boom. Okay, where does it go? Right here to the percent gainer. Open. So when you open up your platform and you see your watch list, you will be able to identify the stocks running that day. For AITX, it's up 36% on the day. Okay? In the morning, pre-market, it'll also show you everything you need to know. So you're looking at the symbol, news, the sector, the previous close, the percent gain, and the ask. Then the total volume. That's all you need. Oh, nope. I'm sorry, you need one more. This is the very important one. Oops, I got the wrong one. Cancel this. I'm sorry about that. Scroll down. Columns. I forgot the most important one. The number of trades. The number of trades. Where are you? Number of trades. NO trades. Add. Okay. Alright, so now you have the number of trades. So let's move this around. You don't want to screw that with that. Okay, number of trades. Sorry about that. I completely forgot about that one. Number of trades. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now you remember you have to divide those in two. Okay, so that's 10,800. So that's 5,400 were sold and 5,400 were bought. Okay, and look at the amount of volume. Okay, so it's symbol, news, sector, number of trades, previous close, percent gain, ask, and your volume. All right? I hope that helps you right there. So let me go ahead and get rid of that. Let me go ahead and get rid of this. And now what we're going to talk about is how to identify bag holders. Okay? How to identify bag holders in a stock. All right, so let's start off with OZSC. Okay? It traded what? At 0.00311. This is very important that you guys have to look into the past. Okay? So we're going to go 1 year back. Okay? When you look 1 year back and it hit right here at the high right there at this point, let me put my I don't have time to put my pointer on. But here the high was 0.0611. Okay? That's right over here. Do you see this resistance? Do you see that resistance? This resistance? This resistance? This is a massive, I mean, look, just in that one day right there, how many shares? Didn't do too many. 2,000, 2,900, but it all adds up. Okay? These are bag holders right here. So for this stock to go up anymore, these guys got to take a loss, or most likely they're going to take a loss, and that's why we have, I believe, let me see, let me put the one candle up. Oops, let's go 30-day. Yeah, we're red on red. Okay, bag holding. Let's find a better one. I had a nice one to show you. Let me see. I gotta find it. NAKD, CTRM. Oh, man. How much is that one? Okay, this is. Oh, yes. This one is. Let's go to the 1 minute. Today. All right, this is what I want to teach you guys on this particular stock. I think I have the extended hours on this. Yes, I do. Okay, that's why it was confusing for me. All right. You see how BTSC 1 day. This is Friday, I believe. Well, January 14th, and then the 15th was a Friday, I believe. Yeah. Okay, you see how it did a nice ride. Came up all the way up here. All the way up to $3.23. Maybe $3.23. Okay. Came back down. Panicked. Came back up. And consolidated. Okay. Everything was consolidating. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Until we get to Friday. Now, what you don't see is the extended hours, okay? This is very important. Now we're going to go back over here and show the extended hours, all right? As you can see, this is what the stock closed at 1555 at around 305, okay? 307 it closed, okay? And it and you know, these are overnight. Then at 7 a.m., this is 7 a.m. Friday. All right. Here are people thinking it consolidated, it's held, nothing's happening. Beautiful. Okay. But right here is when people started buying. Okay. I believe it was 4,600 shares, something like that. And this was at 8:37 in the morning. So most likely these guys added on to their position. All right. And it came during the pre-market. It came down. Okay. It came down to at 8:49. It came down to 288. But it did not scare these guys. Why? Look what the mark is. 288, and 288 over here is in consolidation. So they're not scared right now because they think it's still in consolidation and it should pop up. Well, here at market open, right at market open, it tanked. Okay? It tanked. You can see the long red. But people are seeing the green volume, right? They thinking, oh, it's gonna, go down, come back up. Negative. Remember, this is the 1 minute chart now, guys. Let's go to the 5 minute. This is why it's very important for you to see the 1 minute and 5 minute chart. Do you see what I see? In that 5 minute right there, that's 9:30. Okay, and 935 right there. All right, 1,524,000 shares busted right there, and on the next 1,140,000 shares. Okay, so this stock has claimed a bunch of new bag holders. Why? Everybody that was right here was thinking that it was going to go up, but it didn't. At open, it tanked, and it tanked quick. All right? It tanked all the way down to $2.22. Not good. So you got guys holding the bag almost $1. Well, not almost $1, sorry. At 221, well, let's just say it went all the way down to 202. And this stock was at, 323. Yeah, you can say almost $1. People are holding this bag right now. This is a big bag. So let's get rid of the extended hours. I forgot to show you guys this on the previous video, the extended hours. And now you can see it, how it really done in the 5 minute. Now compare this 5 minutes, you see it nice and red. Now look at the 1 minute again. This is very important. Nice and green, right? Big difference. Okay, this is why it's imperative that you guys look at these stocks at 1 minute and 5 minutes. Okay, and it's imperative that you look at the past. Okay, if you do not look at the past, there's trouble. Okay, now here's AMCE. All right, this is just a 1 day 5 minute chart. So let's go to the 30-day real quick. Let's go to the daily. Okay, let's just go to the daily. Look at this 1 day. This 1 day it did 162 million shares. Okay, but again, look at it. What does it have in the past? And this is just 100 days now, mind you. Now this is only 100 days. Okay, we got traders in at around 769. All of these guys up to about maybe right here are holding the bag. Okay, well, I take that back. Some of them might have got out when it hit here at 424. If they would have held it more, they could have got out here at 497. But everybody are back. If they're still holding, this is going to be hard for it to bounce back to where it was, because these guys are going to try to sell and get out. You could see what happened right here. I mean, the bag holder said, forget about it. I'm tired of holding this. I got some of my money back. I'm going to get out. Okay. CBIC. It looks like a clean chart to me. Look, but the only problem I have, remember, let's go to the 30-day. This is a 100-day. Let's go to the 30-day. Look at this chart. 30 days. That's 111, 112, 13, 14, 15. Okay? And if you look at it, these are either insiders selling or bag holders. This does have bag holders. But on top of this, it's overextended. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days. 5 days green. So we might get one more green day out of it, maybe two. But after that, she will belly flop. Okay? Oh, wow. She's trading around 10. I'm sorry. Let's go to the 100-day chart. Nothing. Okay, so I guess the stock opened 918. Okay. Well, like I said, it's got consecutive days right here. So this would be considered on my for a put, a weekly put sometime soon. BOX. Okay, this one. Let's see. That's 100 days back. Let's go 1 year back. All right. This is a year back. The stock is trading at 218. All right. And it was trading at $4.60. All right. So you can see the red volume. The red tick right there. And it has green volume. Okay. That red is because some of these bag holders are getting out. Okay. They're taking their losses and getting out. But in reality, they should hold for me. Okay. The stock is going up for a reason. All right. So I would, if I had the stock, I would hold it maybe for a month more. because it might just go ahead and zip right through this and get all these bag holders out of here. Let's see what it has 2 years back. 2 years back too, it still has the same amount. Okay, and like I said, these people that were here in this area got out. Okay, but these people still haven't got out yet. In the 460s, 440 area. PLRT, let's see that one. Not much to talk about, it's a new stock. Not much to talk about, it's a new stock. Zoom. Okay, Zoom's another stock we could talk about. Alright? Zoom to me is a clean chart. As you can see, we had a bunch of people upset right here at $1.26. Okay? But she managed to fly up to $1.47. So this is 2 years back. These guys already have gotten out. Alright? Let's go 1 year. Yeah. So this stock right here, Zoom, has potential to fly. Like I said, maybe a supernova. Now, NAKD. This stock has problems. Okay? Like I said, you see this area right here and this area? Bag holders. Bag holders are holding. Okay? You can see it stopped at .61. Or wait a minute, let's see. Let's just say 61 cents, okay? Alright? So if we go 61 cents all the way down over here, we're still at 61 cents is right here. So we still have all these people right here holding the bag and these people holding the bag. Now, if they're getting out, it's because see that you can tell this candle right here on the volume is green, but it has a red top. Okay, red top. This candle right here is, all these are red tops. Well, that's going to be a red top automatically. Okay, so these are potential bag holders that have been holding this stock for a bit. I think GUNS also has bag holders. Okay, and it's stuck at 142, but you see what happened here. This is a complete nightmare. All right, you got guys holding bag holding in the 939s, and this is just 1 year. I know people will hold stock for 2, 3, 4 years, in fact. Okay, this is how you can tell if there's bag holders in the chart. You always have to check at least 1 to 2 years back. Okay, 1 to 2 years back. If I go back to Zoom again and we go back to 2 years, okay, well, you can see again it got to the 147 areas. So these guys got paid off if they still stayed in. Okay, let's go back 3 years. Okay, well, 3 years, you see where the line mark. Okay, so we have resistance at 147. So 147 up, we have bag holders. Again, bag holders. Now, this is from 3 years back. Again, you never know. Some of these guys fall asleep on these stocks and hold them forever until they go back up. That's the name of the game. Okay? CTRM. No, we did that. GLBS. Okay, this is a very interesting stock. GLBS had, I believe, 2 or 3 reverse splits. Alright? The reason being is the stock never traded to $1,440. Okay? Now, if it did 1 reverse split, it would be in the hundreds. Okay? If it did 2, it'd be around in the thousands. But this one did I believe it did 3 reverse splits. Okay, now this is 3 years back, and 3 years ago, I can guarantee you, it was not trading at that. It was trading around $10, $8, and then it went all the way back down to like $1.40, even down to $1, and that's why they had to do the reverse split to keep it listed in the NASDAQ. Okay, this is why companies, when you see those NASDAQ stocks under $1, they either got to do one or two things. They got to pump it. They try to get it above $1, and then do an offering, or like NXTD, not this. Okay, and they have to or do a reverse split, which you do not want to be in a reverse split. Okay, you want to be out of it in a reverse split. Let the split happen. Okay, then the stock will downtrend. After it's done downtrending, that's when you want to go to put a buy in there. Okay, because some type of news is going to come out and it's going to make it pop real good. So you can get money on your short and you can get money on your long. Okay, your short at the beginning of the reverse split. Once it bottoms, you cover and you put in a long position. You can't, you win both ways. Okay, I hope this helps you. This is Eugene Flores signing out. Thank you.